So here I have ingredients for about a gallon of vegetable broth. I'm using 20 mushrooms, 2 large sweet onions, 5 large carrots, 5 celery sticks, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of peppercorn, and 5 bay leaves, and 10 cloves. And then I'll use 16 cups of water. And it'll all go in the Instapot for 15 minutes cook time and 15 minutes of natural release time at high pressure. Everything's kind of just rough chopped. Dice up the carrots and the celery, but everything else just kind of quartered an eighth. And I'll crush the garlic, and that's where I'll get started here. Put in the bay leaves, peppercorn, soy sauce, add the water at the end here. Goes a little over the max level, but it does fine when cooking. I'll add that into the pot here. Plug in. 15 minutes, high pressure. Keep warm to the matter, but we'll do the 15 minutes of slow release. Let's get that started. So there we go. I always do the pressure release outside because way too much steam and smell for just about anything in these pressure cookers. There you go. Still boiling in there a little bit. Let's go dump her out. So here it is. Vegetable broth's all done. A gallon batch. Okay, let's dump out this vegetable broth. There you go. Strain it through one little fine restrainer. Here you go. Here's all the vegetable stock left over. Quite a bit. It's all spent though. Chickens will like it. We're gonna throw it in the hen house, let them chew on it. So here's a gallon of the vegetable broth. I made a total of 5 gallons. This works great for making a chicken noodle soup. Of course, I'm using 4 of the gallons for brining a turkey for Thanksgiving. So here's a little over 4 gallons of vegetable broth for the brine we're going to do for our turkey. We have a 35-pound turkey, so we need a ton of vegetable broth for the brine we're making.